So we'll solve the problems on calibration of end bars. First, you should have to consider a meter bar, and with that meter bar, two end bars of having 500 mm and 500 mm will consider, right? So here, when you are comparing these two 500 mm bar with a meter bar, there is a gap. Okay, so that gap we will call it as a x1. So this will be the error, right? So here, when if you are comparing these two end bars A and B, so here you are having a differences. When you compare bar B with bar A, so again there is a gap between these two. So because of this one, this calibrated meter bar is not equal to these two meter bar, right? Though this will be LA, this will be LB, right? So this is clear. When you are comparing two 500 mm bar with a meter bar, there is a gap of x1. So why this is x1? Because these two A and B are not same length, right? So when you compare bar A with bar B, so again you are having a difference as x2. Once if you know x1 and x2, you can calculate or you can find out what is the difference between these two, comparing a calibrated meter end bar with the 2 meter end bars, right? So here we should have to write an equation. So before that, so we'll see that what is LA. So LA is nothing but length of 500 mm length bar A. LB is length of 500 mm length bar B. So here x1 is the difference between 1 meter length bar and combined length bar A and B. And what is that x2? X2 is here. So x2 is nothing but difference between bar A and bar B. Then what is L? This is L, that is actual length of 1 meter bar, right? This is clear. This is clear now. Now, so here you take this one as figure 1, this one as figure 2. So from figure 1 we can write the equation, right? So this is, what is this? This is L equal to, right, LA plus LB plus or minus x1 plus or minus x1. So this equation we will call it as a first equation. Then from this figure 2, from figure 2, right? So here from figure 2 you write it as here LB is equal to LA plus x2, right? LA, you write it LA plus or minus x2. This is equation number 2. So put equation 2 in equation 1, right? So by putting equation 2 in equation 1, what will happen? So here L, right? So you consider here LB is there, so LA you keep as it is. Instead of LB, put LA plus or minus x1 plus or minus x2, right? So here 2LA plus or minus x1 plus or minus x2, right? So you keep LA as it is. So 2LA is equal to, right, L plus or minus x1 plus or minus x2. So now LA is equal to L plus or minus x1 plus or minus x2 divided by 2. So this will be the LA formula. So here then what is LB, right? So LB is here in the equation 2. Is that clear? So here to find out LB and LA value, if you come to know that LA and LB value, right, so then you can have what will be the error between these two end bars, right? So once again, a calibrated meter end bar has an actual length of 1000.003 mm. It is to be used in the calibration of two bars A and B, each having a basic length of 500 mm. When compared with the meter bar, LA plus LB was found to be shorter by 0.002 mm, right? In comparing A with B, it was found that A was 0.0004 mm longer than B. Find the actual length of A and B. Understood the problem statement? A calibrated meter bar has an actual length of 1000.003 mm. It is to be used in the calibration of two bars A and B, each having a basic length of 500 mm. When compared with that LA with LB, right, found to be shorter by 0.002 mm. In comparing with A and B, A was 0.004 mm longer than B. So here by this problem you should have to draw the diagram, right? How to draw that one? So the statement says that if you see that one, so this will be clear. So here a calibrated meter end bar. So a meter end bar will be there. So this is the length of 1000.003 mm, 0003 mm, right? So it has to be compared with two end bars. So that two end bars are having a basic length of 500 mm. A, B, you say that 500 and 500 mm, right? So there is a gap when you compare with the two end bars. So that gap x1 is 0.0002 mm. But when if you are comparing the two bars, that is A and B, A will be the greater than B, right? So here how much x2 value will be 0.0004 mm, right? So if you see that previous derivation, the same type derivation we are having. So here you can write, you say that figure 1, figure 2. So from this figure 1, L plus or minus, or L is equal to, you write it, right? L is equal to LA plus LB plus or minus x1. So here LB, sorry, here LA is equal to LB plus or minus x2, right? So here L is equal to, right? So here x1 you bring this side, L minus x1 equal to LA plus LB, right? So here LA is equal to LB plus x2. LA is equal to LB plus x2, because LB plus x2 will become LA, right? So you put equation 1, here equation 2. So here put this equation 2 in equation 1, right? So L minus x1 equal to LA plus LB. Okay, so here LA value is LB plus x2. So LB plus x2 plus LB. So it will become 2LB plus x2, right? And here L minus x1 remains same, right? So it come over here, 2LB is equal to, right, LX1 minus x2 divided by, so LB is equal to LX1 minus x2 divided by 2. So LB is equal to, L value is here, that is 1000.003. So 1000.0003 minus x1 value is 0.0002, x2 value is 0.0004. So here 0002 minus 0.0004 divided by 2. Okay, so from this LB is equal to, will have, you do the calculation, will have 99985 mm. This will be the LB. So put LB in equation 2. So equation 2 is here, LA is equal to LB plus x2. So here LA is equal to, LB value is 499.99985 plus x2 value is 0.0004 mm. So LA is equal to, by adding this one, you will have 500.00025 mm. So they told that what is the value of LA and LB. So now we have found out the values of LA and LB values, right? So this, like this you should have to solve the problem. So these figures, they have not given in the problem. So the problem is in terms of statements only. So that statement has to be converted into a figure. Why to convert means, it's easy to solve the problems.